DAT says August FTL price and volume data were mixed as liner rates fell. FTL volumes increased in August as shippers moved cargo ahead of the fourth quarter, according to a mid-September press release from DAT Freight and Analytics. Buoyed by retail and fresh food shipments, the DAT FTL Volume Index, TVI, increased for dry vans, reefers and flatbeds compared to July figures. The TVI for dry vans was 241, up 8% from July but down 8% year-over-year, and the TVI for reefers was 175, up 4% from July and down 5% year-over-year. Calculus. TVI for flatbeds was 259, up 9% from July and down just 0.4% year-over-year. The national average DAT load-to-truck ratio for dry vans and reefers increased in August, reflecting increased demand for these types of freight transportation. The figure for dry vans was 2.8, up from 2.6 in July, meaning there were 2.8 loads per truck on the DAT1 marketplace. The figure for reefers was 4.4, up from 3.8 in July, and for flatbeds was 6.0, up from 7.1. The DAT report shows that spot rates have increased, however. Fuel costs influence liner shipping prices. Base spot rates between brokers and carriers rose as carriers negotiated to cover rising fuel costs. The base rate for the dry vans DAT segment was $2.09 per mile in August, up 2 cents from July, while the rate for reefers increased 7 cents to $2.51 per mile. The rate for flatbeds fell 3 cents to $2.54 per mile. Liner shipping rates, from which an amount equal to the fuel surcharge is deducted, have fallen compared to July. Liner rates fell 6 cents to $1.57 per mile, and rates for reefers were $1.94 per mile, down 2 cents. Rates for flatbeds saw the biggest drop, down 12 cents to $1.89. DAT's base contract rates for dry vans have not increased month-over-month since May 2022, at $2.57 per mile. Rates for reefers rose 8 cents to $2.99 per mile and for flatbeds rose 10 cents to $3.19 per mile. The spread between our benchmark spot and contract rates for dry vans was 48 cents, the lowest since April 2022, said Ken Adamo, head of research at DAT. We expect price differentials to narrow further, with contract rates falling over the next 12 months and spot rates rising. The fourth quarter is shaping up to be a busy period for freight in the near future. In the coming months, it will be important to arm yourself with pricing data and strategies you trust.